Welcome to our channel EDUCATEGENIX. Today we will show you the tips and tricks to learn. Welcome to algebraic factors quadratic equations. Factorization of quadratic equations where we have to achieve this in terms of x plus a into x plus b. A and b are any two integers. We looked into the previous videos with two plus numbers, one plus and one minus numbers. I am showing you this third example with where both are minus numbers. The rule remains the same. The coefficient of the x squared into the constant. That means plus 1 into minus 20. So it is minus 20. The minus 20 factors have to give me a minus 8. Let me look into the factors of 20. 10 2s are 20. 5 4s are 20. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned in for the next video. Please like the video, share and subscribe. Please comment for any doubts, comment for your questions and anything new that you need to learn. Thank you.